guys, so this is going to be a quick video because it's like 2:45 in the morning, bad life decisions, but I am going to be trimming my hair because it's time for me to do my maintenance dusting. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I do that. My hair is already parted loosely in half. So when I do my maintenance trimming, I usually only do it in a few sections, and that's just because it's easier for me that way. So I usually take it right at the ear, and it doesn't have to be perfect for me, but this is just what I do. And I pull the hair until it gets to the super uneven part. So I'm going to look down so I can see instead of looking in the camera. And then I just snip. And then I repeat it on the other side. And I try to get as even as possible, but I don't stress myself about it. And I obviously prefer to do this in a stretch state because it just makes it much quicker and much easier. And because I do have type 4 hair, and type 4 hair has a tendency to shrink, it's easier when you do it like this because you can see better what you're doing. And then I just want to loosely make sure it's about even. Then I go on to the next section. Okay. And then this one, I'm going to pull slightly out. So I'm not going to come straight down. I'm going to come slightly out, kind of going towards my armpit. And then after I do that cut, then I'll come straight down and even it up. Yeah. Okay, same thing on this side. Gonna detangle it a little bit. Gonna bring it out towards the armpit first. And then straight down. Okay, then I just have these two back sections left. Again, I'm going to go towards the armpit first. and then straight down. And just even it up a little bit. Okay, so that's this side. Then we have this last section here. Okay, towards my armpit. And then straight down. Okay, so this is what it all looks like. And then what I do, so I move all my hair to the back. And I put it in a ponytail as best I can. And I try to make sure it's flat and that there's no hair like bunched up or caught up or anything like that. Okay. So this is what my ponytail looks like right this second. I like doing this honestly best when my hair is flat ironed. This part that I'm going to do right now, but I'm going to just do it now. So I'm pulling the hair as straight back as I can. So I want it to go as straight back as I can. And I'm putting the rubber band on it. And then I'm moving it down, down, down. Yeah. Down, down, down till the very end. And I just want to even this out. And you can't probably tell the difference, but there's the ponytail now. So I'm going to bring it back to the front. And my hair is all trimmed, so I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up for the night. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.